welcome to my channel. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today we are going to one of the Thai Muslim restaurant. So before we are going into the restaurant, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's go guys. Okay guys, we already ordered some of the menu here. So basically this restaurant is combined between Thai, Indian and some other Southeast Asian countries. We ordered first chicken martaba, the most famous martaba here. And then we ordered shrimp dumpling. We ordered beef massaman curry. And also we called it mati. We will see. And one more thing that the famous here in this restaurant is candamom milk tea. Food is already here. I can't wait to eat all of the food that I already ordered. So let's try. Okay guys, I want to try the drink first. So it's kind of Pakistani tea or Indian tea. Let's try. You can feel some ingredients inside this tea, so it's really similar like Indian tea. So it gives you warm inside your body when you drink this. Unfortunately that I asked for the ice, but it's okay, even it's ice I can still feel the ingredients. Okay guys, so I want to try the seaweed maki. So it looks like this. There's some oil here. I'm not sure this is oil or chili. Let's try. It's so tasty guys. So the outside is so crunchy and the inside is so fluffy, full of the shrimp inside. And this is basically like tomato sauce, but I'm not sure why it's like water or oil, but it gives more taste. So now I want to try the dumpling, shrimp dumpling. Okay, let's try guys. It's full of shrimps. It's so fresh, and you can see all the shrimps. Not all blended, so you can still feel the crunchy of the shrimps. Now I want to try the chicken martaba. So big guys, chicken martabak. So this is one of the famous martabak here, chicken martabak. And they also serve with this cucumber and chilies. Let's try. See, the inside is full of chicken guys. It's so tasty. So now I'm going to eat the main menu here guys. The beef massaman curry, and then the rice, and also some pickles here with the cucumber, some chilies, and let's try. Let me try one bite. Wow, the beef is really full of ingredients, guys. You can see the chilies and also coconut milk, and the beef also so tender, so it's easy to chew, easy to eat. So when you add some rice, it gives you more flavor from the beef. And the pickles, the cucumber is still fresh. I think they add some sugar here because it's quite sweet. Yeah, but I really love the beef. It's really nice. Again, one bite. The taste of the sweet, the flavor of the salt, and again the beef is really fresh, so it gives me more flavor. And I really love the beef because it's so tender, because I don't really eat beef sometimes, but this beef is really yummy. So guys, last but not least is the Thai traditional salad. So here it has the fried cassava and then some lettuce. They also have tomato and then shallots, and here is the peanut sauce. So this is similar to Indonesian dish we call gado-gado, but this is traditional Thai salad. So let's try. Okay guys, let's try the salad. I really love this salad. And this the fried cassava. So tasty, guys. You know the peanut sauce, it gives more sweet flavor because it has, I think, a sugar and some garlic in the peanut sauce. So when you eat with the salad, it's more tasty. It's so yummy. And this tomato and the cucumber. It's so fresh. All the vegetables still fresh. It's worth a try, guys. Okay guys, I have finished all of the food. It's so yummy and it's worth to try, guys. If you come to Bangkok, you come to this restaurant, Shabeebee Roti. So I'm gonna put the link below in my description if you want to come here. It's not far from the Samyan Mall. Okay guys, so if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, share to your friends, and don't forget guys to comment below and subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell. So see you again in the next video, guys. Bye bye. I have